Hello, welcome. Question 38, BECE 2025. Two interior angles of a triangle are given by 3x minus 10 and 4x plus 20. We have to find an expression for the third word angle. Remember, by solution, we can say that sum of the interior angles of what? A triangle. Let's have it this way. Is equals to what? 180 degrees. So these are the three angles we're having. We have this, we have this. Now, if we add all of them plus the one that we are looking for, you should get what? 180. And that could also mean that the third angle we are looking for is equals to 180 minus the sum of what? These two angles. So I can only say that third angle is going to be 180 minus the sum of these two angles. Let me pick it this way. Let's start from the top. I think that will be 3x plus the next one, which is going to be 4x plus 20 So in adding this, remember it is 180 minus. So this is this and these are adding as, let me still maintain them, 7x in the case of this, minus 10 plus 20 will give you a positive 10. Now we can open up this and get 180 minus 7x. The negative have effect on this minus 10. So 180 minus 10, 170 minus 7x. So let's see if you can get that in the option. 170 minus 7x. This is going to be the option. So if I'm going to include it as an angle. Alright, I think this also explains itself. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.